Hey guys, I'm Ben with Upcountry Electric. Got a call today. The parts finally came in for a trouble call we did recently. It's just the main heatsink fan for an ACS 580 ABB VFD. So we'll be headed there and I'll walk you guys through fan replacement on an ABB ACS 580. Should be pretty short and sweet. All right, see you there. Alright, here we are. First thing we're going to want to do, ACS 580. First thing we're going to do is isolate mains power to the drive. There we go. So now we should be safe to work on the fan compartment. Fan is located up in there. And yeah, we came here previously and troubleshot, so today it's just replacement. Okay, so the trick with these is lowering them straight down. They can't like be cockeyed or twisted a little to one side or the other. So you just kind of pull. There's also these little tabs. Here's the tabs. Get a flathead screwdriver to pop them out. There's two on each side. So these tabs, if you can see that, there's one, here's the other. You can kind of get them with your hand, but I like to just slip a driver up in there, right there, and right there. And the whole unit needs to come down straight. And it gets a little hung up on the frame sometimes, but if you just go slowly, don't force it. If it gets jammed, you just find out what it's jammed on, and then the whole thing just drops down like so. And there he is. So yeah, here's our old model, old unit. It has a much longer cord than our new one. But our new one did come with a little whip extension, so I think that's what we're going to use. Okay, so we know this guy is done. Let's go ahead and get our new one out of the box. We can look at all its parts and get it assembled, and we can put it up in. Okay, here's what they shipped us. New fan, a little jumper, a little hardware, and some paperwork. These mount the fan to the plastic. You can see that just moves. Oops. Oh yeah, and install the two screws. That's the first step. Let's put the weight on there. Okay, yeah, so these two screws need to get tightened down. How do they want them? They want the bolts on this side and the nameplate up. He goes like that. Okay, so these have been assembled and installed. Let's just bring over the old one just for fun. When I'm changing parts, sometimes I get nervous when I'm changing parts. I don't trust the people who ship them to me, but this looks pretty identical, so I'm happy with that. There you go, and yeah, same rating and everything. Yeah, we're golden. Okay, so we're going to use the extension, or maybe we don't need to because we have enough on here. And then I just want to be careful when I'm putting it up in there that I don't pinch this cable. I'm gonna try it without the extension. I don't think I need it. Okay, let's look up in there. Goes like so. Plenty of room. I just need to get this connector cable onto that harness. There he is. He's got a little bias, so he'll only go one way. That's the funny guy right there. That looks nice and tight. Okay, so I got the cable in. You guys can see that, like so. And then it's gonna kind of tuck that wire like so he stays out of the way. I'm just watching that wire really close. And then, yeah, I'm just sliding it up in there vertically. There we go, click, and click. Okay. So he is up in there. And he is unobstructed. Good. I can see the connector right above him, but it doesn't seem like it's touching on anything. Yeah, looks good. It's clipped in. I think we're ready for testing, so we can power it up. And it should just take off running. These fans, I believe, are supposed to just run all the time. If not, we can bump this motor and get it to turn on. Okay, turn mains power back on. Sounds like it's spinning. Oh, no, that's just the internal control fan. And let's try run them. Yep, he's running. Yeah. Very good. Well, that wasn't too crazy. Got the fan in, put the old one out, and I got a spare fan I'm going to leave with the customer as well. But yeah, sounds great. Nice to hear a brand new fan in there. And yeah, that's about it. Sometimes it's real simple. That's all for today. Alright, see you guys in the next one.